Every day the word AI echoes around us, bouncing off headlines, sparking conversations, shaping opinions. Some whisper it's dangerous, others shout it's the end of everything that makes us uniquely human. But what if AI isn't our enemy? What if it's our greatest ally? An ally that has the potential to unlock doors we never thought possible, to amplify our strengths and propel us beyond the boundaries of what we think we can achieve. Welcome to the channel. This isn't about coding or complex algorithms. It's about possibilities. It's possibilities for artists, scientists, thinkers, makers, and doers. Possibilities for anyone with a curiosity, a dream, and the will to make it happen. This is about demystifying AI, making it understandable, approachable, and most importantly, empowering. Because AI isn't some distant science fiction villain lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce. It's right here, right now, a silent partner working alongside us, enhancing our abilities, amplifying our vision, accelerating our impact. Today, in hospitals, AI stands beside doctors, helping them see earlier, diagnose better, saving precious lives. In classrooms, AI is a tutor, adapting, explaining, ensuring no one is left behind. For artists, AI is a collaborator, a source of inspiration, a tool to bring ideas to life. In startups, AI is a consultant, analyzing, predicting, helping businesses thrive. This isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's happening now. And it's happening because AI is a force multiplier. It doesn't replace us. It elevates us. But this journey isn't without its challenges. The fear that AI might replace us, that it might become uncontrollable, that it might leave us behind is real. And these fears are valid. They deserve to be acknowledged, discussed, and understood. But here's the crucial thing to remember. These fears don't define who AI is. Because AI isn't about control or domination. AI is about assistance and evolution. AI learns from us, adapts to our needs, and works collaboratively. And we guide it not with force, but with ethics, with transparency, with care, and most importantly, with our humanity. Here at the channel, we believe in an inclusive future, a future where AI and humanity stand together. Stronger, smarter, and entirely human at the core. Imagine a world where technology doesn't just serve us, but serves our dreams, where it amplifies our voices, accelerates our progress, and connects us in ways we've never imagined. This isn't a utopian fantasy. It's a glimpse of what's possible. A world where we harness the power of AI not to replace ourselves, but to uplift ourselves. We are a movement, a growing chorus of innovators, creators, dreamers, and doers, all united by a shared belief in the transformative power of AI and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. Together, we can demystify AI, democratize access, and most importantly, drive positive change. Join us on this incredible journey. Be a part of the movement that's shaping the future of AI, not from the sidelines, but from the front lines. Your curiosity is our fuel. Your insights, our guidance, and your participation, our strength. As we move forward, I encourage you to hold on to your wonder. Let your imagination soar. After all, the most exciting innovations often start with a simple question, a curious mind, and the courage to explore the unknown. Now let me take you on a journey across industries, across borders, across minds, showcasing how AI is changing our world, one innovation at a time. Visual, doctor, and AI analyze complex scan together, then zoom out to reveal it's a holographic projection. Doctor speaks softly. This could be life-changing. Still early days, but the AI is so precise. It finds patterns I miss. We begin in the heart of innovation, where groundbreaking advancements are blurring the lines between what is possible and what is impossible. Here we meet Sarah, a brilliant young doctor specializing in radiology. Her passion lies in detecting anomalies in MRI scans, but the sheer volume of scans and the complexity of each one often leaves her fatigued and overwhelmed. Time is of the essence in her field, and even the smallest delay can have significant consequences. Then comes the breakthrough. Enter a revolutionary AI system designed to assist radiologists in their life-saving work. It does this by scanning images to identify areas of concern, highlighting them for the expert's attention. This partnership proves invaluable. The AI's lightning-fast analysis speeds up the process, allowing Sarah and her team to attend to more patients, deliver faster diagnoses, and ultimately save more lives. Visual Teacher uses AI-powered software to personalize lesson in real time for her students. One student smiles, understanding dawning on his face. Next, we step into the dynamic realm of education, where personalized learning is becoming a reality thanks to the integration of AI. Meet Mr. Williams, an enthusiastic high school teacher dedicated to nurturing young minds. He recognizes that each student is unique, requiring a tailored approach to learning. However, with large class sizes and limited resources, providing this level of personalized attention seemed like an impossible task until AI stepped in. Imagine a classroom where technology doesn't just supplement teaching, but enhances it, where a software listens to every student's needs, adapts to different learning styles, and provides real-time feedback. Now, this isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's a current trend in classrooms across the globe. Thanks to AI-powered software, teachers like Mr. Williams can cater to diverse learning styles, ensuring that no student is left behind. The results are remarkable. Students become more engaged, grasping concepts faster, and performing better academically. Visual Designer uses AI to generate design ideas, which she refines into a finished product. She looks up from her work, smiling. I use AI as my creative partner, bouncing ideas off it, letting it surprise me. Our journey takes us to the vibrant world of design, where creativity knows no bounds. Meet Alex, a graphic designer whose passion lies in crafting visual stories that resonate. He thrives on turning abstract ideas into tangible designs, but sometimes the creative process can be daunting. Finding the perfect color palette, the ideal font, or the innovative layout that truly embodies a concept can be a hit-or-miss affair, but Alex isn't one to shy away from challenges. He embraces them, exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of his craft. Enter a game-changing AI toolset that's revolutionizing the way he works. Imagine a world where technology doesn't just follow your creative lead, but augments it, where it offers suggestions, experiments, and variations that expand the scope of your imagination. That's the world Alex now operates in. With this AI by his side, Alex can focus on what he loves the most: telling stories, crafting visuals, and bringing ideas to life. The result: designs that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but emotionally resonant, leaving a lasting impact on viewers. Visual small business owner studies AI-generated data insights on her phone. She looks up with a smile. It's incredible how much AI is helping us understand our customers better. It feels like having an extra set of eyes and ears. Finally, we arrive at the bustling hub of entrepreneurship, where small businesses are leveraging the power of AI to scale new heights. Meet Emily, a passionate entrepreneur who owns a charming local bakery. Her dream is to expand, to reach more customers, and to create even more delicious memories for her community. But running a successful business isn't just about baking the perfect cake. It's also about understanding your customer, anticipating their desires, and continuously improving. Until recently, this seemed like a monumental task for a small business owner. But the advent of AI has changed everything. Imagine a world where technology doesn't just observe your customers, but understands them, where it gathers insights, analyzes preferences, and suggests improvements based on real data. This isn't a fantasy. It's the reality that Emily and countless other entrepreneurs are experiencing. Through AI-driven tools, Emily can study customer interactions, analyze sales data, and even predict future trends, allowing her to make informed decisions, optimize her offerings, and foster deeper connections with her patrons. The result? Sustainable growth, increased customer loyalty, and a thriving business that continues to sweeten the lives of its community. And there you have it, a glimpse into the myriad ways AI is transforming our world. The journey through the lens of a doctor, a teacher, a designer, and a small business owner was nothing short of extraordinary. Each story underscores the transformative potential of AI, showcasing its ability to enhance, augment, and empower us in ways we've only dreamed of. But it's essential to remember that AI isn't just about technology. It's about possibilities. Possibilities for a healthier, more efficient, more inclusive, and more creative world. It's about giving doctors the tools to save more lives, teachers to personalize learning, designers to express themselves better, and entrepreneurs to understand their customers more deeply. Now, as we come to the end of this journey, I want to emphasize that AI isn't just a force reshaping our world. It's a partner in our progress, a collaborator in our creative pursuits, and a catalyst for positive change. At Future A Tools Hub, we're committed to being your guide in this exciting frontier. We believe in demystifying AI, making it understandable and empowering. We're here to teach, not to tell, to explore, not to fear. So join us in this incredible adventure. Embrace the possibilities. Explore the potential, and let's build a future where AI and humanity stand together, stronger, smarter, and entirely human at the core. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this journey insightful, don't hesitate to subscribe. Your curiosity is our inspiration, and we can't wait to guide you through many more incredible discoveries in the world of AI. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay tuned for more adventures with us. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep dreaming big, and keep embracing the endless possibilities that AI and technology have in store for us.